Last night we completed the online relationship
Mhm.
academy. We were doing lesson 3, and we did part 2. I'm taking a look at that worksheet, and there are some things that really kind of surprised me on the worksheet. But first, I want to find out, was there anything that you discovered?
Yeah, when we did the worksheet for me,
Hmm.
I discovered that I get a little stressed when I'm trying to manage my time.
Mm.
And, I really had to take a look at that because it that's when I looked at the impact on my physical
Hmm.
exercise,
Hmm.
you know, and trying to make sure that I fit it into my schedule. I get a little stressed out. I
Okay.
was getting stressed out with that.
So I say you were probably looking at the worksheet. The habit was exercising.
Right.
So where did you rate yourself as far as being, excellent or
I think I
being
was
unhealthy?
on probably like a unhealthy
Mm.
number two, maybe.
Hmm.
So I knew that that's something I wanted to pick up and start doing more of.
Hmm. Is there anything I can do to help?
Well, what you can do, you can help me, that now that I'm aware of it,
Hmm.
I can start trying to eliminate going to bed late at night and
Hmm.
go to bed a little bit earlier than I've been going to bed.
Hmm.
And I think that'll, help me get a positive outlook on it.
Okay. Looking at those steps for healthy stress management, which one of the 7 steps really kind of jumped at you as far as something that you could do to eliminate, address stress?
Well, what I could do is try to do a timer, set
Hmm.
a time budget,
Hmm.
a time budget on each thing that I want to get done.
Kind of like Lauren does, our daughter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of like what I want to get done in the day,
Hmm.
but have it on a schedule that, I could see it.
Okay.
Okay, if I take this amount of time for
Hmm.
this, then I'll have enough time for something else.
Okay. So I just got to get used to a bunch of alarms going off.
Right, right,
All
right.
right, all right. Well, for me, the habit that really jumped out, that caught my attention, was exercising.
Hmm.
I've been a runner, several, marathons, half
Hmm.
marathons. Prided myself that any Saturday, I love going out to the Yorktown battlefields and getting in a 10-mile run.
Hmm.
And then I got sick with
Right,
pneumonia,
right.
and since that, and that was 2 years ago. And since that time, I just haven't been the same. I can barely run 3 miles now. And I really wasn't aware of it, but it really was becoming a source of stress for me,
Hmm.
because I was just thinking about, we're getting older. And, I've always stated my goal of living to be 120 years old.
I know.
But I'm starting to also see that the body just doesn't do what it
Right,
used to be able to do.
right.
And so I've got to find new ways of trying to address that stress. So for my exercising, where I used to be a 5, I put myself down at maybe a 1.5 right
Mm.
now. And that's nothing I've ever uttered. I mean,
Right,
typically my
right.
health was outstanding.
Hmm.
But looking at the stress management piece, this worksheet helped me to become more self-aware
Right.
of kind of what was going on with me,
Hmm.
and how it was affecting, my state of mind. Um, but it also helped me to realize that, hey, step number 6 there, I'm being positive, developing a positive outlook. This is life,
Right.
and we really have to make the most of it. So if I can't run, I'll get on the elliptical machine and I'll watch Lifetime movies with you. But I'll do whatever I need to do to be able to, regain my health,
Right.
and spend many, many, many more years with you.
And maybe one thing we could do is go for more walks together.
Yeah, I like doing that,
Yeah.
walking and talking.
Yes.
Yeah, especially with you.